Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato without a machine. First, combine whole milk and heavy cream in a saucepan and heat gently until just simmering. In a separate bowl, whisk together egg yolks and sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. This creates the rich custard base for your delicious homemade gelato. Now, carefully temper your egg and sugar mixture. Slowly pour a small amount of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks while whisking constantly. Then, add the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until the custard coats the back of a spoon. Strain it for a silky texture. Once your custard is ready, it's crucial to chill it quickly. Place the bowl in an ice bath and stir until completely cool. Then, pour the chilled base into a shallow, freezer-safe container. To achieve that signature creamy gelato texture without a machine, stir the mixture every 30 to 45 minutes for about 3 to 4 hours. This breaks up ice crystals. Before serving, let your homemade gelato sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This allows it to soften slightly, enhancing its creamy texture and flavor. Scoop it into bowls or cones and add your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or toasted nuts. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, machine-free gelato.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.